Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the Cartesian coordinate system that he used in the Autocad. Basically, there are three coordinate systems are used in Autocad, that is absolute coordinate system, relative coordinate system, and polar coordinate system. So we will learn each coordinate system one by one. Okay, my name is Ravindra and this is the Make Easy classes. Now let's come to our topic, absolute coordinate system. Basically, absolute coordinate system is used with reference of the origin 0, comma 0. Now I want to draw a rectangle with the help of absolute coordinate system. So let's take a point. That is the point I want to take. The coordinate of this point is 200 by 200. So hash 200 comma 200. You see that exactly join here or not? You see that is exactly joined. Now this point will be 200, sorry, 400 comma 200 hash 400 comma 200. You see that exactly joining this point. Again come to the next point, that will be 400 comma 400 hash 400 comma 400. Now this will be the 200 comma 400, 200 comma 400, and now again this point will be 200 comma 200 hash 200 comma 200. You see that with the help of absolute coordinate system you draw a rectangle with the reference origin. Now let me see relative coordinate system, at the rate x comma y. Now I want to draw the same rectangle by using the relative coordinate system and draw the rectangle. Now take first point hash 600 comma 200. You see that. Now let's take another coordinate with the help of relative coordinate system, at the rate 200 comma 0, because of now the reference point is this. So what will be the coordinate? At the rate, we have already taken at the rate 200. Now this time the y coordinate will be 0. You see that. Now the next point will be with reference of this point. This point. Now here at the rate 0 comma 200. You see that. Now the reference point is this time. Now here at the rate minus 200 comma 0, and again this is the reference point. Here the 0 comma at the rate 0 comma minus 200. You see that with the help of relative coordinate system you draw the rectangle. Similarly, you can draw the rectangle with the help of polar coordinate system. Now let us again draw the rectangle with the help of polar coordinate system. Take any point in your working area. Let's take, this is the point I am taking here. Now at the rate 200 less than 0, and again at the rate 200 less than 90, then again at the rate 200 less than 180, and again at the rate 200 less than 270. In this way, you can also draw the rectangle with the help of polar coordinate system. Okay, and another method, you can draw the rectangle. Just click anywhere. This is the same, just like polar coordinate system, but we are using with the help of tab key on your keyboard. Just press the tab key. You see that. Now I am taking the 200 here and the angle 0. Again the tab key. You see that. Again 200. Press tab key and again 90 degree, and again press the tab key again 200. Press the tab key 180 degree, and again press the tab key 200 and 90 degree. So you see that how to draw the rectangle with different methods of the size 200 mm. Just I want to know that exactly this all the rectangle are of the length of 200 or not. Now I want to give the dimension to this object. You see that. Similarly, you click here. Similarly, here you can 200, and again you can see here, and again you see here. So in this way, you see that all the coordinate system used in the drawing area to draw the object. In this way, you can use the coordinate system in your drawing area. So thank you very much for watching this video.